What if I told you that you don't have to work until you reach 65? That early retirement isn't just for millionaires or Silicon Valley founders, it's real. It's called financial independence. And in this video, I'll show you how ordinary people are retiring in their 30s and 40s, using smart investing and the power of compound growth. If you want to escape the 9 to 5, hit that like button and let's get started. Most people spend 40+ years working, and even after decades of effort, many still don't have enough to retire comfortably. Here's why: they save money, but they don't invest it. Inflation eats away at savings, and by the time you're 60, your money has lost half its value. Example: let's say you save $100,000 in cash and leave it untouched for 20 years. If inflation stays around 3%, that $100,000 will only be worth about $55,000 in today's dollars. But if you had invested that $100,000 in an index fund averaging 8% returns, it would grow to over $466,000. The solution? It's called FIRE, financial independence. Retire early. FIRE is not about quitting your job tomorrow. It's about building a life where work becomes optional. A teacher in Ohio earning $45,000 a year retired at 41 by saving aggressively and investing in low-cost index funds. He didn't win the lottery. He didn't launch a startup. He just spent wisely and invested early. Let's get practical. How do you actually retire early through investing? Step 1. Start with index funds like VTI, VOO, or FXAIX. These track the whole market and have returned 8 to 10% annually over decades. Step 2. Add a few growth ETFs like QQQ Tech, ARKK, or SCHD for dividend growth. Diversify, but don't get distracted chasing hype. Step 3. Automate your investments. Use apps like M1 Finance, Vanguard, or Fidelity. Set a fixed amount every month, even $300 a month, and never skip it. Example: if you start at age 25 and invest $300 a month in VOO with an average 8% return, by age 45 you'll have over $170,000. And if you increase that to $600 a month, you could cross $350,000 and still be in your 40s. The 4% rule, an early withdrawal plan. Once you build your investment portfolio, you can start withdrawing without running out. The 4% rule: you can safely withdraw 4% of your portfolio every year, adjusted for inflation, and never run out over 30+ years. Example: let's say you build a nest egg of $750,000. 4% of that is $30,000 per year. That's $2,500 a month, and you're technically retired. Tools, apps, and lifestyle hacks. Early retirement is not about luck. It's about systems. Apps that help. M1 Finance, Investing Mint, or Y&AB Budgeting, Fidelity, Spire Goals. Books that change lives. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin. Mindset shift. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" ask, "Is this worth delaying freedom?" Early retirement is real. It's not easy, but it's possible. You don't need millions. You need clarity, discipline, and time on your side. If this video helped you, give it a like, share with a friend, and comment, "I'm starting my FIRE journey." And don't forget to subscribe to Invest Smart Basics for weekly investing tips for beginners.